And now to a Brooklyn teenager who's giving graphic testimony about sexual abuse by an Orthodox Jewish counselor. Spectators have taken cell phone pictures of her in the courtroom and posted them on the web. Mary Murphy's on the case.
Were you upset that the teenager was photographed in court during your trial? You have nothing to say?
Actually, the accused counselor, Nekemia Weberman, did say 4 words when I posed my first question a minute earlier.
Do you think that those men should have been taking pictures of the teenager in court? Was that upsetting to you?
The lawyer's not saying much. In a sex molestation case where 4 court spectators carrying 9 cell phones had all of them confiscated when the judge learned a photo of the 17-year-old witness had appeared on the web. Quote, "This is not some sporting event where people can bring their phones to take photos," the judge said. "It is against the law. This is on the internet now. It's probably streamed all over the world." Weberman's defense lawyer said this.
If any of these allegations are true about these other people, these morons, it's their business. Everybody can recognize a stupid, idiotic thing. All right, and leave it at that.
The courtroom has been packed since the victim took the stand, alleging Weberman forced oral sex on her when she was just 12 years old. She says the abuse escalated and continued for 3 years.
Here's one of the reasons that the girl's family sent her to counseling at the age of 12. Because she was questioning the thick tights she was expected to wear to be considered modest within the ultra-Orthodox Hasidic community in Williamsburg.
Several men were arrested earlier this year, accused of offering the girl $500,000 to drop the case. She told the judge Weberman was glaring at her this week through a window panel in court. Her father has already been forced out of business.
The fact that the community is intimidating everybody and doing stuff like that, all it does is for the rest of the molesters to see, okay, I'm protected.
The teen's uncle told us spectators are being intimidated too.
A woman that was sitting here in court that same day, and she was here to support the victim. That same day, her husband got a phone call that he's going to lose his job.
A rep from NOW, the National Organization for Women, turned up in court today.
We're very, very concerned about the oppressive nature that women in the ultra-Orthodox communities live under.
But in closing testimony, the teen told prosecutors why she pressed charges. Quote, "I felt like I had a responsibility. If I didn't stop him, he would continue doing it to other people. I didn't want other girls to go through what I went through." In Brooklyn, I'm Mary Murphy, PIX 11 News.